How to manage board users access with Teams on Monday.com. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to manage your team or your access for the users in a team for the boards. So it is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over Monday.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to visit up our, as you can see, dashboard. Once we are here, what we're going to do is going to be very simple. We're going to head over the left side of the screen. We're going to see that we have the name of our account or the name that we have used for the credentials here. We're going to visit up here. As you can see, we are on the team. Click on Teams. And from here, what we're going to do is to see that we have the teams. Now, what are we going to do or how we can manage the users? You can go ahead and click on Manage Users here and you're going to find this. So this person is going to be the admin, which is going to be me, of course. And this is going to be the role of member. So we can go ahead and edit the email address we send or cancel the invitation. We can go ahead and change the role or the manage the user, as you can see here, permission for it, like a member, a viewer, or only a guest. And then we can go ahead and select it to maybe set up the role, for example, the teams, for example, add the user to a team or remove it from the current team that we have. You can check out the status of it and etc. So you can go ahead and always manage the teams from your dashboard. Either it is going to be here or there. So we can go ahead and create a new team and name that team, for example, let's say here, dash team. We're going to set up the team member. This is also the team member like that. We're going to create the team and you are going to find it here. So for the management of them, so basically, as you can see, we have an owner. I'm not going to put this as an owner, but we can go ahead and manage the team from all the users. And then we can go ahead and set them up, put the roles of them, and also the permissions. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.